Several months ago, I did a video on this exact truck, but they brought it back with upgrades. So they added 7 different packages to this vehicle to upgrade it, and then they brought it back to me. So now I get to see the difference. And it actually drives completely different than what it did before, and has a different exhaust note as well. So they did a front and rear suspension, high performance suspension upgrade. Now, that's 2 separate packages, front and rear. They also added the forged upper control arms, a 1.5-inch lift kit. I'll have all the details and specs and everything at the end of the video, all the crunchy numbers if you want to check it out. Now it also has the beadlock wheels and the catback exhaust. Now these are all NISMO products, which you can buy at the dealership and have installed at the dealership. You can also have it all installed before you even take delivery of the vehicle. So if you're interested in any of these, you can talk to the Nissan dealership. It also has the Frontier rock sliders as well. Let's start with the obvious, the rock sliders. Now they kind of stick out a little bit from the vehicle like that. And since we have a lift kit, if you're kind of a shorter person, these are not side steps. So they kind of get in the way as far as getting in and out of the vehicle if you're kind of short, but I don't really have a problem with it, but just keep that in mind. You want to make sure that your passengers can get in relatively easy, because these stick out a little bit from, they kind of protect the side of the vehicle as well as the bottom. So, and they're kind of open there. But yeah, they look pretty good. These are NISMO brand, so you can get them directly at a dealership. So you can see the suspension system here. So this is the Bilstein suspension with the NISMO name on there. So once again, these are NISMO brand. You can see the upper control arms there. Here's the rear suspension. And the catback exhaust is the NISMO name there on the tip, and then it extends back all the way to the catalytic converter. That's the catback system here. It doesn't have a huge different sound with the exhaust, but you can tell a difference, but it's not like it's any louder really. It's just a little bit of exhaust note difference. And of course the beadlock wheels here, looking pretty good. And it's like a semi-gloss, I guess, black color. So it's not like a super shiny wheel, but it's not super matte. I guess this outer part's matte. Inner part looks like a semi-gloss in a way. But yeah, once again, NISMO brand. You can definitely hear the exhaust note is different when driving it. But the first thing I noticed was how stiff the steering wheel was. It's definitely stiffer when you drive it. You know, it's not quite as easy to turn. It's not hard to turn, but it's just quite a bit stiffer than, you know, what it normally would be. Also, a little bit of road noise because of these tires. It also has with that lift and the suspension and everything, it just feels like it's more ready for the off-road. You know, like some vehicles that are just kind of designed for off-roading, it kind of leans more in that direction. The suspension feels a little bit kind of stiff, but a little bit bouncy in certain scenarios. And but yeah, it just feels like it's more off-road tuned now, the way it feels. You know, like I drive like a Bronco and lifted Jeeps and stuff like that. It kind of has that off-roady kind of feel now. So yeah, there's a couple of things that, the main things that I noticed anyway. The exhaust is, you know, you can hear it a little bit more. It's not a huge difference, but it's not like it's a loud exhaust or anything, but you can hear a different note to the exhaust system. And then of course the stiff steering wheel and just the overall feel. The thing is that there's a lot of changes that were made to this vehicle. So you can just put a different set of tires on a vehicle and make it feel so much different. So this one has not only the tires, but it has this suspension components and the exhaust and the wheels, and you know, so there's a lot, and the lift, you know, so there's a lot of different things that have been, you know, changed on the vehicle. So it's kind of hard to pinpoint exactly what it is. It's just overall driving experience, but you know, those are the immediate things anyway.